So Christoph, welcome. We'll be having a chat on a topic which is quite on the agenda at the moment, supply chain. So from your aspect, from PwC Germany aspect, how have you been tackling this quite hot topic?
Yeah, thanks, David. First of all, thanks for having me here. Well, supply chain has in the recent years really become a boardroom topic. Before, we were talking about supply chain as more as a hygiene factor, so if it works, and that's good. But now it moved towards a competitive advantage. And what we see is that, especially in these rather volatile times, companies who invest in their supply chain capabilities, building in resilience and building in supply chain transparency, they are the ones who actually perform well on the market. They are the ones who can serve the client's needs, also in the times, as said, which are rather volatile.
And these past couple of years have obviously brought about their challenges, and something that every organization tries and thrives to achieve is turning those challenges into opportunities. From a supply chain aspect, how do organizations manage to transition from challenges into opportunities, and how can they get that edge on the market?
That is a very good question, and a question that we hear also a lot from our clients. Now, the challenges I think are quite clear. Now, how to transfer that into opportunities? What we think is that clients who these days who invest in data and technology, in making sense of data and investing in technology, they are the ones who really bring their supply chain and supply chain planning capabilities to the next level. And again, they are the ones who then build a resilient supply chain, who can anticipate disruptions in the supply chain, and who can therefore react quickly. And to be honest, who can react quicker than the competition. And that's exactly where you have the competitive advantage on hand.
And obviously timing plays a very important factor in turning a challenge into an opportunity. And in this sense, I believe that digitalization is a key contributor in achieving such a goal. Obviously, as we've just mentioned, supply chain and building a supply chain that is resilient is very important. How do we link between digitalization efforts and having a resilient supply chain?
I would say that these two phrases, these two words, they go hand in hand. So again, clients who now seize the opportunity to bring transparency into their whole ecosystem, they are the ones who can make sense of that, of both sides, on what's happening on the supplier side and on what's happening on the customer side. And you will not be able to do that in an offline world. You need data, you need technology to do so. And if you get that transparency into that ecosystem, that's exactly where, again, you can anticipate changes, disruptions, upstream or downstream, no matter, and then be able to react on that quickly. And again, that is really the key for transforming and bringing the competitive advantage there.
Definitely embracing the challenges that organizations face, and rather than just not leaving them aside and hoping that these go away by themselves is obviously very important. And digitalization is obviously key, and having the data to address those challenges is very important.